Value-engineered framing techniques for budget-friendly home construction focus on cutting lumber and labor without sacrificing strength, comfort, or code compliance. When we talk about value-engineered framing, we are really talking about using every stick of lumber with purpose and eliminating anything that does not carry load or add real performance. Advanced framing with 2x6 studs at 24 inches on center lets you use fewer studs while still meeting structural and insulation needs when paired with proper sheathing and bracing. A single top plate can work when trusses or rafters land directly over studs and you use metal strapping to tie walls together, which saves lumber and reduces thermal bridging. Optimizing truss spans means working closely with the truss designer to hit practical spacing, avoid odd jogs, and keep bearing lines straight so you simplify layout and cut down on interior bearing walls. Reducing header lengths with engineered lintels keeps you from throwing extra multi-member headers over every opening and instead matching the header precisely to the actual load path. Using laminated veneer, lumber, or engineered I-joists in floors and roofs can let you span farther with fewer pieces, simplify mechanical runs, and reduce shimming and leveling time because the members are straighter. Minimizing floor cantilevers and bump outs keeps loads simple, reduces hardware, limits insulation problems, and speeds sheathing and siding work. A big mistake is copying an old framing layout without checking whether every wall, header, and double stud is actually needed for the loads and the code, which leads to lumber waste and more labor. The fix is to walk the plans with the designer and identify every non-load-bearing wall and overbuilt header before you start. Another common issue is switching to advanced framing without coordinating insulation, mechanicals, and drywall details, which can cause callbacks for nail pops, drywall cracks, or cold spots. The fix is to agree on stud spacing, sheathing thickness, and bracing details with all trades and to follow the fastening schedule exactly. A third problem is pushing truss spans, cantilevers, or engineered joists too far without a clear load path, which can produce bouncy floors, drywall cracks, or costly field fixes. The solution is to get sealed truss and joist layouts from the supplier, verify bearing points and hangers before framing, and avoid last-minute field changes that move or remove bearing walls. BigHomeProjects.com is our online directory where homeowners can post projects and find local contractors who understand value-engineered framing and budget-conscious building. We also give contractors a place to showcase their work, connect with clients, and join our discussion community where everyone shares framing tricks, cost-saving ideas, and real-world solutions.